Hey guys, welcome back. It is Lee from Aldi Performance, and as you can tell by the title, we are just going to look at the clean from the start to the end. So yeah, before we get started, make sure you hit that like button. And if you're looking for a program, we offer CrossFit programs, bodybuilding, and weightlifting. They are all available on our website. You can find the link below, and it's only £9.99 a month to sign up. So yeah, before we get started, make sure you hit that like button and then also subscribe to the channel. If that subscribe button's red, let's make sure you turn it white. But let's get into the clean. So yeah, from the clean, we're basically, how I teach it is we start from the top down to the bottom. So yes, we're going to start with the grip into the front squat, and then we're going to look at breaking down the clean. So that's just a demonstration of the clean, nice full extension, and then riding it down into that squat. But literally, we're going to start with the stance. So two ways I teach it is jumping stance. So imagine you want to jump as high as you can, get into this stance, and then the other one is this. You want to have 1 foot distance apart from there. So yeah, you've got that jumping, so jump as high as you can, which is basically waist width, so just outside your waist pretty much. And then from there, once you found that, you're then going to pick up the bar, and then with the grip, you want your hands like thumb width away from your legs. But obviously, this is just a starting point. Everyone's completely different. So like I said, this is just a start, and then we'll go from there. And then we're going to look at the front rack. So bar on the shoulders, make sure those elbows are nice and high and not low like I'm doing here. Nice and high like in that position. And then from there, we're just going to look at the front squat. So make sure, before you clean, make sure the client or athlete can do a front squat. So you want to make sure those knees and hips basically break at the same time. So imagine the band is, you've got a band around the hip, band around the knees, and they're both going to pull the hips backwards, knees forward at the same time. Make sure those elbows are nice and high. Once we've found that, we're then going to look at a high hang. So pretty much just in that hip position again, we're basically going to have a soft knee, so just bend the knees, jump, and then just catch the bar. So with this, just make sure you pull those elbows up and back and then nice and quick around that bar. And then from there, once you've got that, you can then just look at taking it down into a squat. So as you can see here, catching that power and then riding it down. As you get more comfortable, you can go straight into a squat, as you can see from there. Once you've got that, we're then going to take it into that high hang, so just above the knee. So yeah, exactly the same thing from above the knee. Make sure you fully extend, so just jump as high as you can, squeeze the bum. That's just going to give you a signal that you've fully extended, jumped as high as you can, and then catch the bar underneath. And then from there, you're going to take it down to below the knee. So if you had plates on the bar, it would take you to shin height. From there, it's a deadlift, so you're going to push the floor away, bringing that bar past the knees, you're back into that hip position, and then you're literally going to jump and explode from that hang position. So that's how I teach the clean to all my clients and athletes. Hopefully this video helped you. Please click that like button and also check out the rest of my videos. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.